Hello everyone and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to fix 0 views on TikTok. To start, open your TikTok application in your mobile device. Then, in here, click on the plus sign and then create a new posting. Once done with taking a video, click on Next. Then, click on Post. In here, wait for TikTok application to finish posting your post. Now tap on your profile on the bottom right. Now head on over to your drafts. In here, over drafts, you will just need to exit. Then the next step is to click on your recent posting. Now tap on the 3 horizontal lines on the upper right. Then go to Settings and Privacy. In here, go to Privacy. Then in here, make sure you turn off Private Account so that people will be able to view your postings. Now continue ahead with your post. Then in here, share it to all your other social media applications so that people will see more of your TikTok posts. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.